Hi guys! Welcome sa Engineered Math Channel. Sa video na to ay ituturo ko sa inyo ang logarithm. So kung gusto niyo itong matutunan, just keep on watching. So far, ay na-discuss ko na sa inyo ang tungkol sa exponents, both integral tsaka rational exponents. Yung integral, siya yung normal exponents lang na ginagamit natin na gumagamit tayo ng mga negative at positive whole numbers. Yung rational naman, siya yung tinatawag na nating radical kung saan gumagamit tayo ng exponents na fraction. So ngayon, ay tuturo ko naman sa inyo ang logarithm, which is just the inverse of exponential functions. So kung ano man yung natutunan natin doon sa exponents, ay may apply din natin dito sa logarithm. Okay? So let's define first logarithm. Logarithm is the exponent to which a base must be raised to yield a number. So, from the definition pa lang, papansin nyo, meron tayong ginamit agad na exponent. Kasi related nga yung topic na exponent sa logarithm. So for example, itong expression na to na may notation na ganito. So, binabasa ito as logarithm of a to the base b is x. So, yung bawat variable na ginamit ko dito may equivalent meaning. So, yung a, siya yung power, yung b, siya yung base, tapos yung x, siya yung exponent. So, every logarithm expression can be converted sa exponential expression kasi nga related sila sa isa't isa. So, ibig sabihin, yung x daw, siya yung exponent kung saan kapag niraise natin yung base na b, ang sagot ay yung power na a. So, logarithm of a base b is equal to x. So, kung isusulat natin ito into exponential form, we have yung base natin na b, naka-raise sa exponent na x, and then mag-i-equal sa power na a. So, ito yung equivalent exponential equation natin for this logarithm. Okay? So, anong exponent, i-raise natin yung base para magkaroon ng power. Okay? So, para mas malinaw, gumamit tayo ng actual value. For example, the logarithm of 8 base 2 is 3. So, ito yung notation niya. So, bakit nga ba naging ganito yung equation natin? Kasi kung i-convert natin ito sa exponential form we have, sabi ko nga yung 2 na maliit dito, siya yung base. So, we have 2, then raise 2, kung saan naka-equate yung logarithm expression, which is 3, siya yung exponent, right? Equal, and then yung number sa gilid ng logarithm na notation, siya yung power, which is tama kasi 2 cubed is equal to 8. Okay, same as dito sa logarithm of 625 base 5 is 4. Okay, verify natin kung bakit naging ganito. So, ang base natin ay 5, then ang exponent natin ay 4. Saan ba equal yung 5 raised to the 4th power? Dito sa power na given na 625. Kasi 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625. So, ganun yung concept ng logarithm. An exponent to which you must raise the base to obtain the number. So, dapat tandaan nyo lang kung saan dito sa notation na to yung base, power, tsaka exponent. Okay? Now, meron tayong types of logarithm. Meron tayong common logarithm. Okay? So, ang common logarithm, siya yung logarithm with base of 10. So, literally, logarithm lang siya na laging ginagamit natin na base ay 10. For example, log of 100 base 10 is 2. So, yung 100, siya yung power, yung 2, siya yung exponent, and then, sabi ko nga, yung common logarithm, yung base natin ay 10. Which is tama naman kasi, pag kinonvert natin ito sa exponential equation, we have base 10, exponent of 2, is equal to the power na 100. Okay? Now, kapag naman, meron tayong na-encounter na walang base na nakalagay. For example, log 100 is equal to 2. Dahil common logarithm siya, automatic, i-assume natin na yung base niya, yung invisible base natin dito ay laging 10. So, kapag common logarithm, note na, if the base is not written in the notation, it means that the base is 10. Okay? Same as dito. Logarithm of 1,000 is 3. Kasi nga, base natin dito ay 10. So, kung susulat natin ito in exponential form, we have 10 to the third is equal to 1,000. Okay, so yun yung common logarithm. Next, we have another type of logarithm, which is the natural logarithm. So, yung natural logarithm naman, it is the logarithm with base e. So, itong e, siya yung tinatawag natin na Euler's number. So, it is an irrational number with approximate value of 2.718. So, irrational siya, meaning wala siyang definite value, which is nag-extend siya infinitely. So, itong in-approximate natin na value na 2.718, magko-continue pa yan indefinitely kasi irrational siya. But, ito lang yung gagamitin nating number to approximate it. Okay? So, for example, this notation, so we have logarithm of 5 base e is 1.609. So, same lang din sa kung ano man yung normal logarithm notation natin, it's just that gagamitin natin laging logarithm na base ay e. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo, yung value niya na exponent ay 1.609, which is not exact. Kasi nga, yung base natin na e itself is an irrational number, which is hindi rin exact. So, makasosolve natin to usually kapag gumamit tayo ng calculator. Okay? Other notation for natural logarithm or with base e na logarithm ay itong notation natin na to, yung may ln. Okay, so binabasa natin ito as natural logarithm of 5 is 1.609. So, kaya ln kasi yung L stands for logarithm and then yung N stands for natural. So, pwede natin basahin din to as ln of 5 is equal to 1.609, which is pwede nating ma-convert using the normal notation na logarithm na ganito. Logarithm of 5 base e is 1.609. So, laging kapag may ln, automatic natural logarithm yon at ang base natin ay e. So, kung i-convert natin ito into exponential form, we have the base of e and then the exponent 1.609 is equal to 5. So, approximate yan, hindi yan eksakto kasi meron tayong round off na ginawa dito sa value natin na 1.609. Okay? Now, let's solve some examples para ma-illustrate natin kung paano maghanap ng logarithms. So, we have for number 1, logarithm of 16 base 2. So, kung tatanungin natin yung expression na to, yung hinahanap natin ay yung exponent kung saan pag ni-raise natin yung base na 2, ang sagot ay 16. Obviously, ano yon? 4, right? O kung nalilito kayo, pwede nyo itong equate sa unknown value na x. And then, i-transform nyo into exponential form. Ano ba exponential form nito? So, base 2 raised to x is equal to the power na 16. And then, apply nyo yung natutunan nyo for solving exponential equations dun sa video ko. So, dapat pareho silang base. So, transform nyo itong 16 using base 2. Ano siya? 2 to the 4th, right? And since pareho na silang base na 2, pwede nyo nang equate yung exponent nila na x saka 4. So, therefore, x is equal to 4. Or simply, logarithm of 16 base 2 is 4. Okay? Same dito. Logarithm of 2 base 4. So, equate muna natin sa x and then convert nyo into exponential form. So, we have base ng 4 and then exponent ng x is equal to 2. Okay? So, ngayon, pwede nating i-convert dito ay yung 4, gawin nating base na 2. So, magiging, ano yan? 2 squared quantity raised to x. Okay? Equal sa 2 raised to, ito 1 lang. Okay, then apply natin yung law of exponent. So, multiply natin to, diba? So, magiging 2 raised to 2x is equal to 2 raised to 1. So, since para na sila ng base na 2, pwede na natin equate yung exponents nila. So, therefore, 2x is equal to 1. Or simply, x is equal to 1 half. Divide both sides by 2. So, therefore, log of 2 base 4 is 1 half. Which is right kasi nga, pag kinonvert natin ito, expression na to parang 4 raised to 1/2 is equal to 2. Diba same to sa square root of 4 is equal to 2 dun sa natutunan natin sa radical. So therefore, tama yung sagot natin na 1/2. Okay? Next, we have logarithm of 1 over 27 base 3. Okay, so equate uli natin sa x. Convert natin into exponential form. So base 3 raised to x is equal to 1 over 27. Okay? Dahil meron tayong fraction dito sa right side, automatic magkakaroon yan ng negative exponent, right? So, convert natin into negative exponent. Ano yan? Parang 3 raised to negative 3, right? Since equal yan sa 1 over 3 cube or simply 1 over 27 nga. Okay, so same base na sila na 3. So, pwede natin equate yung exponent nila. So, therefore, x is equal to negative 3. So, therefore, it is equal to negative 3. Log of 1 over 27 base 3 is equal to negative 3. Okay? Next, we have log of 1 million. So, apply natin dito yung common logarithm kasi wala tayong nakalagay na base dito. Automatic 10 yan. So, equate muna natin to sa x and then transform into exponential form. We have 10 as a base raised to x, yung exponent, equal dun sa power na 1 million. So, anong i-raise natin sa 10 para maging 1 million? Automatically, 6, right? Kasi pag convert natin to into base 10 then 10 to the 6. Then 10 to the x. So, same base na sila. Equate natin tong exponent. X is equal to 6. Okay, so therefore, the answer is 6. Okay? Next, we have logarithm of 0.001. So, since wala ulit tayong base, invisible yung base natin, automatic, assume natin na common logarithm siya or may base na 10. Okay, so equate natin sa x. So, transform natin using exponential equation. So, 10 raised to x is equal to 0.001. Okay, so, pansin nyo, itong 0.001 decimal, pero pwede natin yung gawing fraction. Saan ba yan equal? 1 over 1,000, right? Or since nga meron tayong fraction, pwede natin itong i-convert into negative exponent. Ano ba yung 1 over 1,000? Parang 10 raised to negative 3, right? Okay? So therefore, same na sila ng base na 10. Pwede na nating equate yung exponents. So x is equal to negative 3. So therefore, the answer here is negative 3. Log of 0.001 base 10 is negative 3. Or simply, log of 0.001 is negative 3. Okay? Next, we have ln e. So di ba equal to sa logarithm of e base e kasi ln or natural logarithm. Okay? Okay, so equate uli natin sa x. And then transform natin into exponential equation. So base e, then exponent x is equal to the power which is e. So itong e, naka-raise yan sa automatic exponent na 1. So same base na sila na e, pwede na natin equate yung exponents nila. So x is equal to 1. So therefore, ln e is equal to 1. Okay? Next, ln 1. Okay, so natural logarithm ulit. So equivalent yan sa log 1 base e, right? Equate natin sa x, then transform into exponential equation, base e raised to a known exponent na x equal to the power na 1. Okay, so itong 1, dahil 1 naman siya, para maging kapareho tayo ng base na e dito sa left side, pwede na natin niyang gawing e raised to 0. Kasi any number nga raised to 0, kahit natural number yan na base, mag-equal pa rin yan sa 1. Okay, so therefore, itong 1 ginawa lang natin e raised to 0 para parehong base dito sa left side. So since pareho na silang base, pwede na natin equate yung exponent nila na x saka 0. So therefore, x is equal to 0. Okay, so therefore, the natural logarithm of 1 is 0. Now, meron akong note na kapag naghahanap tayo ng logarithm ng isang number, dapat yung power na ilalagay natin dito ay non-negative at hindi 0. So, bawal yung 0 tsaka negative number dito sa power kasi magiging undefined yung sagot. Okay? Okay, now, merong instances kung saan hindi natin pwedeng makompute ng eksakto yung logarithm. Tulad nitong example number 1. So, logarithm of 52 base 2. So, suppose, equate muna natin sa x. And then, transform natin into exponential equation. So, base 2 raised to x is equal to 52. So, kung mapapansin nyo, hindi natin pwedeng i-apply yung ginawa natin dun sa mga previous example ko. Kasi itong 52, hindi naman yan eksaktong mako-convert into exponential form na mayroong base 2. So, kapag ganito, pwede naman tayong gumamit ng calculator. So, ngayon, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano isolve to using calculator. Okay? So, using calculator, pindutin nyo lang yung button na to. Okay? So, press nyo to. And then, yung nasa baba, yung ito, yung square na to, yan yung ilalagay yung base natin, which is yung 2 nga, diba? Tapos dito, dun sa may parenthesis, yan natin ilalagay yung power, which is 52. Okay? So, log of 52 base 2. Equate natin. So, press equal sign. We have 5.7004 or approximately 5.7. Okay? So, therefore, our answer here is approximately 5.7. Okay? Next example, we have log of 16 base 5. So, obviously, hindi ulit ito eksakto kasi pag in-equate natin ito sa x and convert into exponential form, we have 5 raised to x is equal to 16. Which is yung 16, hindi naman natin mako-convert exactly into exponential form with base 5. So, gagamit ulit tayo ng calculator. Okay? Okay, so press nyo lang ulit itong button na to. Then, base 5 tayo. And then, yung power natin ay 16. So, press equal sign. The answer is 1.722706232 or approximately 1.723. 3 decimal places. Okay? So, the answer is approximately 1.723. Okay? Next, we have logarithm of 25. So, this is an example of common logarithm na may invisible base na 10. So, hindi ulit ito eksakto, right? So, gamit na lang ulit tayo ng calculator para ma-solve to. Okay? This time, kapag magko-compute tayo ng common logarithm, ang pipindutin naman natin na button ay itong log lang. Automatic base 10 yan. Then, kung ano yung power natin na given, which is 25, input nyo lang. Okay? Then, close parenthesis. Then, press equal sign. We have 1.397940009 or approximately 1.4. Right? So, therefore, our answer is approximately 1.4. Okay? Next, we have ln 37 or the logarithm of 37 base e. So, obviously, hindi ito eksakto. So, gagamit tayo ng calculator para ma-solve to. Okay? So, kung magsasolve naman tayo ng logarithm with natural number base e, ito yung pipindutin natin, yung ln. And then, input nyo lang kung ano yung given power, which is yung 37, right? Then, press equal. We have 3.61091791 or approximately 3.611. Okay? So, we have the answer of 3.611. Okay? So, basically, that's the concept of logarithm. So, mahalaga na alam na natin yung iba't ibang knowledge na natutunan natin sa exponents, both integral at rational exponents, kasi i-apply natin yun dito sa logarithm. Okay? So, tatandaan nyo lang lagi na ang logarithm ay inversion ng exponential functions, which is, siya yung exponent kung saan na dapat nyong erase yung isang base para magkaroon ng isang number, which is the power. Okay? So, sana ay may natutunan kayo sa video na to at maraming salamat sa panonood.